Tony Winston here. Welcome to Jazz Piano College. And I'm going to do, believe it or not, another video on It Could Happen to You. It could happen to you in E. It has a lot of minor 7 flat 5 chords in it, and there are certain keys where minor 7 flat 5 chords just don't come very easily to me. And one of those keys is like G sharp. But you know, if you think about a minor 7 flat 5 chord and you have a root, all you do is put a minor triad over top of it. And that gives you minor 7 flat 5. But it's got that little B minor in there, and that's why this chord is also B minor 6th, just an inversion. But, and actually in old fake books, a lot of times you'll see a minor 6 chord. You might see B minor 6th going to, say, a C sharp and then an F sharp. And you say, well, that's not a 2-5-1. But if you played it as a minor 7 flat 5 chord, then it is a 2-5-1. And that's how many jazz musicians will interpret those older real book charts. And they weren't called real books in those days. They were called fake books. Real and fake, how do you tell the difference? I don't know. So anyway, see, I played a B minor triad. It could be any inversion, and that's how I thought of it quickly. Here's another one. That's A sharp or maybe B flat, minor 7 flat 5. I thought of the triad. It's a minor third above. Played it in that inversion. So here we go from the top. Oh, what did I do? All right, E, there we go, A. All right, that's all for now. Thanks, folks. Also want to thank, I got a few Patreon subscribers now, and I am putting up a video just for those folks on box voicings and rootless voicings. It's nothing I haven't covered here before, but got to do something special for those Patreon folks. And if you'd like to help support the channel, just sign up with Patreon. It's easy to do. If you change your mind, it's easy to unsubscribe as well. So thanks so much, and I'll see you again real soon. And Bill Evans did this on The Days of Wine and Roses. He went up by a minor third and then back down a minor third, and he kind of divided the song in half that way. So I'll do that. See, up from E up to G. Now, second half of the song. And then you just do a 2-5-1, get right back into E. And I believe in Days of Wine and Roses, plays the song like that even during the solos and everything. So it's a pretty cool thing to do, and I think a lot of songs that would work on. So might try to find a few other songs that